So I want to make a spoon. Got a couple blanks here. Just got it drawn out. I want to just hollow this out and then I'll finish that out. And maybe do some wood burning on it, possibly when I'm done on the handle might be cool. Anyway, it's a red cedar. I've not made a spoon before. Rotary burr. It's good for scooping out. And I've never used it yet. I want to use it for a spoon, see how it goes. That dust is a little too much. Alright, instead of whittling down those edges, I just cut it off with the miter box. Got a little bit less to trim now. Now I'm just going to do a little hand sanding on it with this guy. Sand it up, and I'll take it in and do some wood burning. Now a little bit of vegetable oil, just to try to keep it from cracking. Also makes beautiful color. I think when I'm all done, I'll polyurethane the whole thing, but the oil sure makes a pretty color too. Look at that difference. It's really, really pretty. This red cedar is something else. It's really beautiful, different tones of color in it. And that pink is just really beautiful.
What do you want? What do you want? What is it that you want?
First little wooden spoon. Got a little Viking guy. Got some little designs on it. Feels pretty smooth. It's usable. And just a fun decoration. Come check out my channel. Subscribe, like, all good things.